Well, guys, welcome to Car City Inc. And look at this beautiful vehicle, 2019 Nissan Sentra. It's a new arrival. Actually, it's a local trade-in car. 114,000 miles. Nice clean body, nice paint all around. 4 cylinders, 4 doors. Inexpensive vehicle. Everything looks good, nice and clean. Good rims, almost new tires, nice tread. SV, which is give you power windows, power locks. Clean interior, just came from the detail shop, very clean, no problems at all. Nice clean headliner. Passenger seat looks good as well. Again, no white sound. Again, 114,000 miles. This is a nice touchscreen. There is a backup camera. There is a climate control. Again, no white sound, 114,000. It's got Bluetooth. It's got cruise control. Again, gas saver, inexpensive, reliable car. This is passenger seat looking good as well. I mean, looks good, drives good. Beautiful car for sale. If you guys looking for one, stop by. We do have a nice selection. Averaging probably 140 cars in stock. No rust. Gas saver. Newer battery. Beautiful and clean car at Car City Inc. in Palatine. If you guys have any questions, you can check us out at our website. And if you guys have you want to talk to our sales team, don't be shy. 847-496-4250. And we will be happy to assist you. We'll help you with the finance. We'll give you extended warranty for the reasonable price, and we can help you to serve this vehicle here as well in future. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.